Next up is types of skeletal muscle fibers, and there's two. One is type 1, one's type 2, easy. Type 1 is a slow twitch fiber, and these are red fibers. The reason they're red is because they have a lot of mitochondria and myoglobin. These are needed for oxidative phosphorylation, for energy generation. Remember, you can have anaerobic and aerobic. Aerobic generates a ton of energy, but it's for slower, low-level sustained force. So what uses the most is stuff like postural muscles, so muscles of your back that are constantly working, doing low levels, and you need a lot of energy generation. And the reason remember, I want to just draw an association. Myoglobin makes your stuff red. What pathology has myoglobin and you see red is rhabdomyolysis. Remember, that's when your muscles break down, you get release of myoglobin, and then you get red pee, which can be confused with hematuria. So that's our little association here. So type 1 is the slow twitch. I remember that because type 1 again is thin, and long distance runners are thin. He looks like a 1 right here. This guy is Asbel Kiprop. He's a really fast Kenyan guy, super thin. There's tons of slow twitch muscles. Next is the type 2 muscles. This is the fast twitch fibers. These are white fibers because there's the opposite. There's little mitochondria, little myoglobin, because they don't need oxidative phosphorylation. They use anaerobic glycolysis for that short burst of energy. So again, you get rapid, forceful, but brief contractions. So these guys are going to have lots of white looking fibers and they feel red, and again, opposite for the distance runner. So that's it for our types of skeletal muscle fibers.